folks, welcome back to the Shoogly Shed. Today, as I promised in the last episode, I'm going to have a go at putting the bottom half of the engine back together. That means all the internals back into the gearbox, crankshafts, the balancing shaft, etc. Everything has now been measured up correctly, everything's within spec, any bearings that were worn have been replaced, I've got all my seals, I've got everything ready, I just have to put it all together. I don't plan on talking that much in this episode, so hopefully that's okay. Hopefully it will just be nice and chill and you can get to see me reassemble the bottom half of this engine. Hopefully that appeals to you. Anyway, without further ado, let's get this bottom half of the engine back together. well folks, that's it. The bottom of the GS500 engine is back together. Hope you enjoyed that episode. Anyway, as usual, like this video, leave me a wee comment if you're interested, and more importantly, subscribe to the Shoogly Shed Motors YouTube channel for more updates on this engine and for all the previous episodes in this series. See you later. Finally rebuilding something, it feels so good. The struggles taking shit apart, everything just goes back together nicely.